Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Policygenius detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Policygenius website. Open your preferred web browser. Type www.policygenius.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the process. You will be directed to a page that outlines the types of insurance available. Choose the type of insurance you are interested in, such as life, health, or auto. After selecting an option, you will be prompted to answer a few questions. Fill in the necessary information as requested on the screen. Make sure to provide accurate details for better quotes. Once you complete the questions, click the Continue button. Wait for the system to process your information. You will now see a comparison of different insurance policies. Review the options presented to you carefully. Take note of the coverage details and premium costs. If you find a policy that meets your needs, click on it for more information. Here, you can read through the specifics of that policy in detail. If you decide to proceed, click on the Apply Now button. You will need to fill out an application form to move forward. Provide any additional information required for the application. After filling out the form, review your details before submitting. Once everything looks correct, submit your application. You may receive a follow-up email from Policygenius. Follow any further instructions provided in that email. You can also contact Policygenius directly for assistance. Visit the Contact Us section on their website for various communication options. Choose your preferred method, whether it's email or phone. If you opt for a phone call, make sure to note their business hours. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.